Hello, my name Febri Angriawan Widodo. You can call me Febri. I'm come from Java Islands and I'm working in Sumatra Island for Tiger Research Program under WWF Indonesian program. I'm working for investigate the tigers, about the tigers population and also density, to make sure about the tigers still survive in the wild. I work for tiger research in camera trapping programs and also human tigers conflict programs and also awareness collaborating with local community. And this area is Ribang Baling. This area very important because many tigers living here. This is tiger habitat, and we must protect this area together. We need more volunteer to investigate because this is the big area, bigger than Singapore. If you want, we can together to saving the tiger here, and please join with us.